In an era defined by the swift currents of change and the clash of empires, the 15th century forged a legacy not in fleeting power, but in the enduring beauty of its craftsmanship. This was a time when skill was a form of devotion, and every object told a story of dedication, artistry, and human ingenuity. From the gleaming plates of armor that shielded knights in battle to the intricate threads of tapestries that adorned castle walls, this period gave birth to treasures that continue to captivate us centuries later. We now invite you to journey back in time, to rediscover the hands that shaped history and the masterpieces they left behind. Within the heart of the 15th century lie artifacts that whisper tales of a bygone world. Imagine the glint of light catching the polished surface of full-plate armor. Each curve and rivet a testament to the perfect marriage of form and function. Picture the soft, rich colors of silk-woven tapestries, their sprawling scenes depicting epic battles, courtly love, and political allegiances with a vibrancy that defies the passage of time. Visualize the delicate touch of gold leaf on the pages of a hand-scribed chronicle, its illuminated letters preserving knowledge and stories for generations yet to come. These are not mere objects, they are portals to the past, each one a masterpiece of human skill and artistic vision, their surfaces holding the very essence of the age. To truly understand these treasures, we must meet the masters who brought them into existence. Step into the fiery heart of a 15th century armorer's workshop, where the rhythmic clang of hammers on steel fills the air. Here, amidst the searing heat of the forge, raw metal was transformed into suits of armor so perfectly articulated they moved with the grace of a second skin. Elsewhere, in the quiet solitude of a monastery, scribes hunched over desks, their quills dancing across vellum. With each stroke, they brought illuminated manuscripts to life, their pages blooming with intricate illustrations and elegant calligraphy that turned words into art. In bustling towns, weavers sat at massive looms, their hands ablur as they interlaced thousands of threads. They were not just creating decorations, they were weaving narratives of power, faith, and dynasty into every inch of fabric. The spirit of 15th century craftsmanship did not die with the passing of the era. It lives on, a powerful echo in our modern world. Today, a new generation of artisans is breathing life into these ancient techniques. In contemporary studios, blacksmiths fire up their forges, using centuries-old methods to shape metal with precision and artistry. Calligraphers mix their own inks, reviving the lost art of the illuminated letter, while weavers use traditional looms to create modern textiles that honor the past. The haunting melodies of a medieval lute find a surprising harmony with the hum of modern tools, a sound that bridges the centuries. This enduring legacy proves that true craftsmanship is timeless. From the hallowed halls of history to the vibrant workshops of today, the dedication to creating beauty with one's hands remains a powerful, unbroken thread in the grand tapestry of human creativity.